Xiaomi releases new TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen in UK. Xiaomi is now selling the TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen in the UK, marking the start of its European release. This new model features various upgrades over its predecessor, including the Google TV operating system. Plus, there is support for voice commands, Dolby Vision and dual-band Wi-Fi 6. The Xiaomi TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen is now officially available in the UK. Building on the original model, the upgraded version was listed on the brand S Global website in July 2025 and has been available to order via AliExpress for several weeks. At the Xiaomi online store in the UK, you can now buy the TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen for $45, now $99. That makes it $12 more expensive than the older version, which is currently priced at $33.99. Xiaomi's TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen is designed to upgrade TVs, projectors and monitors, allowing users to stream content from a range of apps. It supports 4K decoding, as well as Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus video, and Dolby Atmos and DTS-X audio. Unlike its predecessor, it offers the Google TV interface with apps such as YouTube, Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Plus, users can wirelessly screen share via Google Cast and remotely control the device with Google Assistant voice commands. The TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen connects to your screen via HDMI and supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. It comes with a remote and is said to be smoother than the older version thanks to new hardware like a quad-core Cortex-A55 and an ARM G310 V2 GPU. It remains to be seen when the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K 2nd Gen will be officially released in other European countries and at what price. For context, the original model is priced at $44.99 at Mi Store Germany.